In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve a deleted list on Trello. If you've ever accidentally deleted a list and found yourself in a state of panic over lost tasks or projects, don't worry, because today we're going to guide you through the simple steps of getting it back. We'll walk through this process together, ensuring that you become confident in retrieving archived lists in just a few minutes. Let's start by logging into your Trello account. Head over to the Trello homepage where you'll see the Login button, give it a click and you'll be redirected to the login options. If you typically use Google for signing in, you'll find the Google icon. Simply click on that and choose the appropriate account you want to access. It's a seamless way to get you right back into your Trello workspace without any hassle. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the specific board where your deleted list was originally located. Boards are essentially the big picture or the canvases where you organize your projects, so ensure you select the correct one from your dashboard. If you're not sure, you might want to spend a moment reviewing the board titles to find the right one. After you've landed on the desired board, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice three little dots stacked vertically. This is a menu icon that will open additional options for you. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that reads Archived Items. Selecting this will take you to a place where Trello keeps a record of items that have previously been stored away. Think of it as a safety net where nothing is truly erased unless you decide otherwise. Now when you're in the archived items section, you'll see an option that says switch to lists. By default you may be viewing archived cards, but we need to switch our view to lists to locate the one that you're looking to restore. Click on switch to lists and it will adjust the view to show the lists you've previously archived. Once you have the list view open, you'll be able to identify the list you wish to recover. Simply select it, and within seconds, your deleted list will reappear on your board, bringing back all its contents. And there you have it, a straightforward step-by-step method to recover any deleted list on Trello. Hopefully this guide has restored not only your list, but also peace of mind, knowing that mistakes can easily be fixed without losing valuable information. Don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks to make your digital workspace even more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy organizing on Trello.